they said they don't have enough diesel, you know, on this fuel pump for trucks. Like, who's supposed to have this diesel, you know, if not Shell? Like, that's the landscape. That is the landscape constantly right now. Okay, we have a sign. So we are taking this way. And basically I had to take my old clothes off in, you know, one room, yeah, because, you know, like, it's not every day when you are told, you know, to show your ass if you have any drugs there or not. Serbian homes, a bit unfinished, yeah. Those are people, women, ladies here, like, what the hell, what? And today, you know, they are telling you to show everything in your truck, you know, to strip down, show me your balls, I mean drugs if you have drugs, yeah. Like, do I look like a drug lord? I don't think so. I'm not from Colombia or Mexico. Usually you are paying someone to take off her clothes, yeah, or his clothes, I mean, yeah. And obviously I don't have any immigrants, yeah, in my trailer. It's 6 degrees inside of this trailer. Like, who would want to be there, yeah? God damn. Oh my god, look at this. That's the petrol station. We need to brake. We need to brake. Holy shit, turn signal. Welcome. Another day. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining. What is the plan? We have 13 kilometers to this Shell. We are going to take some diesel there. And look at that. Yeah, we have 24 hours. And then we will have to take a break, you know, 24 hours. So yeah. But we have 10 hours of driving time, so it's good. It's good. We will try to get somewhere today. Look at this, we are going to pay for 444 highway. We are paying by cash or card, yeah. We don't have this tag or something like that. Okay, so we have paid €7. Yes, €7. I don't know how much we are going to pay later on, yeah, because you are paying for certain parts of the highway, you know, but I don't know, maybe this part is going directly to Skopje, or maybe further away, or maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, we have just 1 kilometer to Shell. I can already see this Shell, yes. Ah, finally. We are going to take 150 liters. Okay. Shell. They said they don't have enough diesel, you know, on this fuel pump for trucks, so I had to like come to this normal one for cars, yeah. Like, who's supposed to have this diesel, you know, if not Shell? Like, come on. Okay, anyway, we have a bit more. We are driving. We have just 150 kilometers to border with Serbia, so yeah, let's just cross it. So basically, look, we are passing nothing, you know, just some hills. Mountains are far away, covered with clouds. Yeah, that's the landscape. That is the landscape constantly right now. Yeah, I mean, very nice. Something different, yeah. Okay, so we are passing Skopje. Yes, Skopje is somewhere there on the left. And 9:29 a.m. we have 30 kilometers to border with Serbia. Yeah, now look, we have 420 till Belgrade. Yeah, I guess that we are going to take 24 hours break in Serbia, but I'm not sure. Maybe we will be able to pass Serbia and enter Hungary today, but it's not going to be easy. Yeah, it is just not going to be easy. Yeah, we are going to overtake this guy. He's from Bulgaria, yes, he's from Bulgaria. Okay, so this city in front of us, that's the last Macedonian city before the border, yeah. We have 12 kilometers. Yes, we are very, very close. Okay, so we are getting closer, around 1 kilometer to the border, and yeah, I don't know where to go. Yeah, I don't know even if there will be any trucks or not. I have no idea, because usually, you know, you can see line of trucks, yeah, and you are just driving the same way where other trucks are driving. Yeah, simple. When you are first time at the border, yeah, because that's my first time here, but we have to see signs. Yeah, signs. Okay, trucks here. Yes, here we have a sign. Okay, we have a sign. So we are taking this way. Okay, this guy is parked here. As you can see, here are plenty of companies, yeah, transport companies that are giving some, you know, papers necessary for transit or so on. Nice. So, yeah, but this border is pretty obvious. Yeah, we have signs. It was not so obvious between Greece and Macedonia. But okay. So we are waiting. How long? I have no idea. Okay. It's almost 1 p.m. and we are in Serbia. Welcome to Serbia. The bus will overtake me. What I can say, I was waiting ages. They searched my truck inside, outside. They were asking for marijuana, for drugs, and basically I had to take my old clothes off in, you know, one room, yeah. And I mean all clothes, yeah, like I was almost naked there, you know, and they were like, okay, you don't have any drugs on you. Like, okay. So it was fucking crazy. I have never had something like that, but okay. That's part of the job, I guess. That's part of the job. My company is expecting that I'm going to arrive today to Hungarian border and that we are going to cross into Hungary, yeah. But there's a problem with that, and the problem is that we have wasted more than 4 hours of working time at this border, yeah. So right now my working time equals my driving time, yeah. So we have 7 hours, roughly speaking, of working time and driving time. I'm already driving 34 minutes, and we have, from the border, we had 580 kilometers to the next border with Hungary. So I don't know if it's possible, because we have to take a break, 45 minutes on the way. Yeah, I'm going to drive around 230 kilometers to one petrol station. I will take a break, yeah, and yeah, I will drive till the end, till the end. Maybe we can make it, maybe not. Because this load has to be on Friday in Poland. Technically it is possible, but you know. You never know how long you are going to wait. Because now we are in Serbia, yeah. So we have to enter basically European Union and Schengen, and we have to end our transit in Hungary. I don't know where, and I will have to ask people, you know, how to do it, because I don't know. Look, Serbian homes, a bit unfinished, yeah, some of them. But the weather is okay. It's cloudy, but it's 6 degrees. It's not raining, so it's kinda okay. We are very close to Kosovo, by the way, yeah. But as you can see, Serbia is a really beautiful country. If you like mountains, hills, yeah, forests, damn, that's nice. Really, really nice. Wow. That is so nice. Look at those clouds that are just hiding those big hills and mountains. Those are people! Women, ladies! Here? Like, what the hell? What? What? Like, here's nothing. Like, nothing. What? Okay, there's a road on the right. Maybe they are stopped there and they are coming here, I don't know, to take some pictures of this view. I don't know, maybe. Look at this view. We have some water, some canyon here, you know, between hills. And yeah, nice views, nice homes. Plenty of those Serbian homes are not finished, yeah. Plenty of them. And you know what, right now I have kinda mixed feelings about Serbia, because last time I was crossing this country, you know, everything was fine, yeah, people were nice, helpful, you know, and so on. And today, you know, they are telling you to show everything in your truck, you know, to strip down, show me your balls, I mean drugs if you have drugs, yeah. And damn, at this point I'm really I really appreciate Bulgarian border officers, you know. I have no idea why I'm saying this, but I really appreciate Bulgarian border officers that are just taking your money sometimes and they are not telling you to strip down, yeah. Damn, seriously. Because you know, like, it's not every day when you are told, you know, to show your ass if you have any drugs there or not. I mean, it's not even every week or month, you know. In my case, it's not even every year. It was like first time in my life, you know. But yeah, like, do I look like a drug lord? I don't think so. I'm not from Colombia or Mexico. My friend wrote me on Instagram that if you will give those Serbian border officers like €5, you know, then they are not going to tell you to strip down and and ask for drugs, you know, and so on. But you know, that's not the point, right? That is not the point. To pay to be able to not take off your clothes, you know, and like what? What? Usually you are paying someone to take off her clothes, yeah? Or his clothes, I mean. Yeah. Okay. But you know, that's not the point, yeah? That's not the point. The point is that, damn, I don't know what to say. I mean, like, it's part of the job, yeah? Like, obviously, if they have any suspicions, you know, that I might have some drugs, then obviously. But probably someone tried to smuggle marijuana via this border, because they were, oh, that's a bad part of the highway, because they were asking constantly if I have marijuana, you know, constantly, like goddamn constantly. And I was telling them, no, I don't have, because I don't smoke it, because I just don't like it, yeah. I don't even have alcohol, yeah. Come on, And obviously I don't have any immigrants, yeah, in my trailer. It's 6 degrees inside of this trailer. Like, who would want to be there, yeah? God damn. Look at this. We are taking our last break. And we are going to have only 3 hours 26 minutes or 25 minutes of driving time. Yeah. And we have 306 kilometers, but not to the border. No. We have 306, look, here, to a petrol station, and the border is here. We are not going to make it to the border. It's just not possible. Physically, it's not possible. Obviously, I had some Serbian KFC. Very good KFC, you know, very, very good. And yeah, we will have to stop on some petrol station, yeah, for 24 hours break. Unfortunate, yeah, unfortunate. Okay, so look at this, 17 minutes, 4 kilometers, less, even 3 kilometers. Oh my god, I can already see this petrol station. We need to believe, okay, we need to believe. We need to have faith. But you know what is the worst part? That even if I will enter this petrol station and I will wait for someone to park, you know, or to basically leave so I can park, we are still going to lose this time, no matter what. So we have to enter this petrol station and park right away, like right away. So many emotions. Oh my god, look at this, that's the petrol station. We need to brake, holy shit, turn signal. We have 15 minutes. Ooh, braking, hard brake, yeah, oh yeah. Come on. We have 15 minutes, look, the driving time is already orange. Okay. Oh shit, I can see the place. At least one. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh shit. There is no one behind us. I'm curious about this here. Okay, we are taking this one. With one hand it is not so easy, but we are going to do it, yeah. I guess we made it. We need to find Serbia. Come on. Yes, SRB. Oh. Sometimes the only thing you have to do is to believe.